So as you can see, the rear wiper blade on my Toyota RAV4 is in need of replacement. The front ones don't look as bad, so I suspect that whoever changed them last only changed the front and didn't change the rear. And it wasn't me, because I've never changed the wipers on this and I've owned it for 3 years, so it's definitely overdue. So if your wiper blades are streaking, squeaking, or skipping, you're going to want to stick around because I'm going to show you how to change all 3 wiper blades on this Toyota RAV4. So how often should you replace your wiper blades? The manufacturers recommend every 6 to 12 months. Real world, it's probably going to be quite a bit longer than that. People generally don't replace them until they start having problems with them. They come apart, like the one in the back. They jump across the windshield. They squeak. You can't see properly. Generally, until there's an issue, people let them go. So if you want to be safe and replace them before they become a problem and you can't see or they're annoying you, you should probably replace them annually. If you're in a mild climate, you probably don't have to replace them as often. If you're in a very hot climate, if you're in a very cold climate, extreme heat and cold will affect wiper blade life and just age. They're made out of rubber. They will dry rot just like tires can, and eventually they will come apart. So if you're checking out your wiper blades to see if they need to be replaced, some things that you want to look for, obviously, rubber that is separating from the blade, like on the back. But if you rub your finger across, it should feel like a nice sharp edge. If it feels dull, the rubber has worn down and it's not going to clear your windshield as effectively. There also shouldn't be any cracks in it. If you feel any roughness or cracks, those are going to leave streaks on your windshield. So in the recent past, wiper blades have kind of changed. So they used to have all of these metal brackets that would hold the wiper blade onto the windshield. And now they're what they call beam blades. They are all just kind of one piece, and that's what the curvature of it is what holds it onto the windshield. And that's actually also a good design for winter weather. They used to sell winter blades where basically the metal framework was just covered over with a sheath of rubber to keep the snow and ice from packing into the blades and causing it to get stiff and not conform to the shape of the windshield. So these blades that are the beam blades are just all one piece, so there is nothing for ice or snow to pack into. So these are good all-season wiper blades. All right, so before I take the wiper off, I'm going to place a towel underneath here, because once I take the blade off, if this arm happens to slip out of my hand, it could come down and chip or crack the windshield because it's just going to be a metal bar, and I don't want that hitting the glass. All right, so on this older style of blade, older than what I bought, there is a tab underneath here. So you're going to want to turn the wiper blade up and pull the tab down, and then you can push the wiper blade back towards the J-hook. Okay, and then that comes right off. All right, so the new replacement blades that I got work a little bit differently. There are some grooves here that to indicate that you can hold on to it and kind of pinch and pull up. There you go. And this will open up. Now you just want to feed the J-hook through there and hook it on till it kind of clicks into place, right? And then you can click the cover back down. Now that one is installed. So we can also remove, the new one comes with a blade guard. All right, so that one should be good now. So let's move over to the other side. All right, so on the driver's side, I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to put the towel here to protect the windshield in case this arm comes back down, right? And I'm going to flip it up, and there's a, like I said, tab underneath here. I'm going to pull that towards the wiper blade. I'm also going to hold this part back against the arm a little bit. That seems to make it a little bit easier to slide it out, right? And I slide out the old one. So on these, you can see there's ridges here. You can grab a hold of that, and then you just open it up. All right, so before I install the wiper blade, I am going to pull the protective covering off of the blade. Now with the cap open, we're going to insert the arm through the cap and just hook it onto the wiper blade until it snaps into place, and then snap the cap closed. All right. All right, so new wiper blades on a dirty windshield will streak immediately. So take a couple minutes, clean your windshield to get the best results. So on the back we have this wiper blade, but you can see that it doesn't lift up all the way, but there's a little cover here, and if you just pull out on both sides, you can open the cover, and then this will lift out. So once you have it lifted out, you just want to push, like it stops the motion about here, but if you just push a little bit farther, right, then it comes loose and you can just slide it out. All right. Okay, and then the new one, you just have a little dowel in here, and there's a groove for it right here. It just slide it into the groove and then click it back down, just like that. And that goes back down, close your cover, and the back is done. Alright, so that concludes changing all 3 wiper blades on the Toyota RAV4. Probably a task that you can do in less than 20 minutes if you're not making a video about it. But it is pretty straightforward and something you should probably do annually. Alright, so if you got something out of this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you want to help this channel out, please consider subscribing or becoming a member by clicking the join button below. Thanks for watching. Take care.